Obi, Kalelen, Obi, Obi, Obi. We are back.
Woo!
Obi dance movement.
Woo!
Who say we don't go be?
Woo!
Who say we don't go be?
P2B is coming. P2B is coming.
Obedience
P2B is.
movement.
Woo!
What is the structure? They kept asking us. You
And,
don't have a structure. You don't have a structure.
Alpha.
Chai! Who they? Who they?
Four people tweeting. Four people tweeting in a room.
In the room.
You guys have confirmed the four people tweeting in a room.
Shut down. Massive shut down.
You know.
Obedience. Not too much.
We are just coming
Chop
back
it.
now from
Chop it.
our polling center.
No.
Siam.
Away.
See my hand.
We've casted it.
Siam.
We have.
No
Because
be.
what is time? We
Siam.
left this house.
See my weapon, PVC.
We left this house.
We left by 7:30.
7:30. This is the time.
See what is knocking.
See what is the time now? This is 5:40.
5:40 to 6.
They wanted to.
We
they
waited
wanted
till
to
our
do
votes
everything.
count, man.
Going with a child, they're not seeing mother. I need for my child's sake.
We never
For
do
this
child
baby's
education,
sake.
but we say if Odogwu can stop us from going, we need to go for his future.
He will not ask us tomorrow, Daddy, Mommy, why didn't you go and vote? Why didn't you go and vote? So we'll beat our chest and say we did it for you.
I
And we
wanted
did
to
it
go
for
alone,
all the children
and my
of
wife
your
said,
age.
"Let's go with our child."
No,
Nothing they
darling,
happen.
nothing
Nothing
got a hold on me. No excuse. We went there. Baby, tell them now how it went.
P2B is coming. We went there. There were irregularities. As if as accreditation, no network. INEC arrived late. I must commend Nigerians. We waited for INEC to arrive. We were ready. We waited for INEC to arrive.
They thought maybe persons will give up. You know, imagine going to your polling unit by 6. Some persons were there before us.
Yes,
some
ma'am.
came by 6. They've not had breakfast. Imagine staying there for hours. And then they felt that, okay, when you go with something like 10, 11, they will get tired and go. But what happened? No leave, no transfer. People were there. People, gidigba, they gallant. They waited after voting. They made sure that they waited as well.
For our vote to count. Our
God.
vote counted.
I've never seen a structure that is as powerful as the obedience movement.
We are resolute.
Nobody came to talk.
We shared food.
Jeez,
We shared
jeez,
water.
Jeez.
We waited.
Nobody
They didn't see it coming.
No shishi. Do you know what it means to come out not expecting shishi? Nka bro, that they gave you money. They gave this person. You know Nigerians that what gingers us is money. When we see urgent 2K, when we see 1K like this, no shishi.
Today, we didn't just vote.
Scores. Maybe tell them now. Scores. Lagos, see what is happening in Ikate. See what is happening at Agor Palace. See what I saw a picture of a woman that they gave her a wound. She had a cut. She went to treat herself.
And came back to.
She came back.
We die
to
here.
what?
Come on.
Do you know what it means? Nigerians, we've had it to this place. So whatever that is happening.
What are you afraid of? I thought you said we had no structure. We had no structure. Allow us to vote free and fair.
Yes.
So that you say that we have structure or not.
Now.
Use your structure. Why are you intimidating?
They're laughing.
See our logo here.
People tweeting.
Mama, Papa, and Pikin. We've been voting objects.
Broom that has been sweeping
Let us
away,
vote for human beings this time around.
sweeping
Come
away
on.
our destinies, sweeping away our lives, our futures, the future of our children. No job anywhere, hunger, rakpata everywhere. Umbrella, say umbrella won't call the cover us. What did they do?
I heard
Enough.
that it was raining in Port Harcourt. For the first time during Harmattan, it was raining. Something different is about to hit
Are
Nigeria.
you saying it is? You see the weather. See how the weather is.
Let me
Look
tell
at the
you
weather here.
the history of this country. In 1963, Nigeria became a republic. And after 30 years later, 1993, there was another shift. Abiola won regardless of the opposition and the incumbent power.
Yes.
And this another 30 years later, 2023. Let me take you back to history. Any decision we make now will take us to under 30 years.
Yes.
And we're about to make history
We
again.
made it.
Just we did in 1963 and 1993.
Nothing got hold of
It is not a coincidence.
This is
Hand of God there.
as in intentionality.
Hand of God there.
Nigerians, so they do this one with fluky eye. No, anya saganya.
In the sight of Togri, we were saying we must vote.
People were bullying. In Lagos, I was seeing scores now. Online, maybe they say we are.
City boy go lose Lagos. City boy.
What are you saying? He don't lose already.
City boy.
Don't they hear the scores?
City boy.
Every of the polling units so far that they've given us accounts. Obi is leading.
The only thing we are waiting for now is the three sisters, the three Ks, the three Ks, Kaduna, Katsina, and Kano, and I know say they go share them for there. Now only thing they wait for now, you know say that people, their silence is very very deafening. The way they will be quiet, but if they want to drop their vote, now boom.
Bomb, boom, 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 Obusacha.
But on what if
Aware.
one Obi is coming.
Hey, Jehovah.
On God, Obi, waiting we see today. Now to seize the knack, we were out this morning with our child.
In fact, if by this time we still never vote, we go still go vote because it is sweet. There's this
Facebook,
sweetness.
please keep this video for my son.
There's this sweetness that comes with doing the right thing.
Come on.
There's this self-accomplishment I feel.
We believe.
See, at this point in time, I am just happy. I give God all the glory for making me to be among this generation, this woke
Baby,
generation.
have you voted before in your life?
I've never voted.
This is the first time I'm coming out to vote in my life. And I have so many people like me.
I was telling my husband how we used to do it back then in Katsina, when what we look forward to seeing during election periods, voting times. My mother going to her polling unit and coming back with a carton of bar of soap and all this Ankara that they will have faces of those
that they used to buy their votes.
That they used to buy their votes, and they will be happy. Hey, mommy came back with soap. Mommy came. But going to my polling unit.
Doing it
ourselves. I know say nobody is sending what the incentive we are getting. Nobody is. In fact, if you bring it, come a wogo talk, and then it is people. God, I don't know this. There is this
for the first
obedience.
time.
God bless you for
I'm
blessing
holding this
our
flag
generation.
with hope and with dignity for the first time.
At first, I was telling my husband this thing will not count. This thing, but then
I told you.
This man, God bless you too.
I told you.
No,
okay,
things
man.
have changed. I was saying it's a lie. But man, my eye don't open.
Today is not for comedy skits. We say we must go out and vote. We did not post anything funny on our page.
Nothing is funny because as it is, my country is not making me happy. So let us Skype. We had to pause on our businesses.
We want to secure the future of Odogwu.
Our child's future. The ones that are coming, we want to secure it first.
Come on.
Let business wait. And then we are victorious. We are happy. We are glad that we did it.
We need to commend the INEC. Please, we have some other loopholes.
Yes.
And I trust Professor
Yakubu
Mahmoud. Please, sir, we have so many people that have been disenfranchised. And we trust you. We've been listening to you. We've been following you online. And we saw how calm you are.
Under pressure.
And we believe that you are on top of the situation.
Yes.
So please, let every vote
also
of every Nigerian count. Let our vote count.
All those units, all those polling.
Let our votes count.
Delayed. That stocks.
Nigerians are ready this time around.
Disrupt their voting. Sir, please do it well. Those Nigerians need to vote.
You see what the cashless policy is doing.
Vote.
Nobody has cash to buy anybody's vote. Oh, what if
blessing in disguise.
We day. Obi is coming. Obi is coming. Obi.
Obi come Nigeria. Obi
show them that
Nigeria.
picture where. Come on.
Hey, this is how we went. We are chanting it there.
Obi is
as far
coming.
as those that saw us,
We are back.
Let's keep our hopes alive. Nigeria has happened. The other Nigeria has happened to a lot of persons. The new Nigeria is going to bring joy. It's going to bring peace. It's going to bring that thing in your heart. Yes.
Today they saw the 4 people tweeting in a room.
They saw it.
Today they saw the 4 people tweeting.
Blue.
Today they saw the social media president. Shebi they say we cannot come out.
Yes, now.
Shebi they say we will not come out.
Online supporters. Online supporters. Don't underestimate the power of woken youths. When youth say enough is enough, don't underestimate it.
Please, if you're still on your polling unit, make sure that your vote counts. If you've not voted, make sure you vote. INEC chairman has promised us that anybody that was on the line before 2:30 must vote, no matter the time.
Yes.
Even if we take them to do it tomorrow, please. We're not doing this for our sake, it's for our children. You want to go?
For the betterment and the sustainability of the new Nigeria.
And guess what? We're ready.
We are there already.
We are ready.
We are there.
Hey! Baby, let me see your victory dance. Oh, yeah. What? Oh, yeah, that's it.
Let me dance for him. My mommy went to vote, my daddy went to vote.
And we are back.
Let us go and freshen up.
Let's go and rest. Let's go and listen to
and then
the news and know what's happening.
We'll now tune into the.
Yes, don't worry.
In case it's opposed.
We'll keep you guys updated. We're back.
Keep you guys updated.
We're back.
It's not easy, but we did it.
We did.
Peace.